Hi, I'm Denise from Well in Life, and I'm sharing some movement tips for you to use all day long during your work breaks. And here's one I'm going to try, and I'm not going to sign or talk, so watch carefully. See how you're feeling in your breath and in your shoulders and all through your upper body when you do that. Try it today and let me know how you do. Bye.